Hi there, it's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario, Region of Peel. How are you today? Happy Monday. And it's April 5th, so Easter Monday. Just give me one moment here. Hope you guys had a good weekend and are doing well. I've taken some time off yesterday, a few dedicated hours with my kiddos, so back to work today and I'm getting things streamlined for the week. I hope you guys had a wonderful time and made the most of the beautiful weather we had here in GTA. Okay, so let's get right into it. So today I'm not going to be sharing my screen with you. I am running a little bit overbooked in terms of my schedule and a little bit fashionably late. You've heard that terminology before, correct? So what I'll be doing today's live market update on sweetheart. That's my 6-year-old. So I'll be doing today's live market update with you and pulling the data while I'm on live with you. Do you want to say good morning quickly? It's okay.
Good morning.
Squeeze in, squeeze in, squeeze in. Come here.
My hair looks a mess.
Your hair looks a mess. Come here. Say good morning quickly.
Good morning.
This is my sleepy face, my beautiful kiddo, right? All right. Okay, go.
Bye.
Yes. All right. So I'm going to be doing this data live with you. Honey, you want to close the door for mommy? Thank you, sweetheart. So I'm going to be pulling the data while I'm with you and providing it as we go. Now, I'd encourage you to, one of my goals this year is one to intentionally help first time home buyers to showcase the beautiful city that I live in, which is in the region of Peel, Brampton, Ontario, another city as well in the region of Peel, which is Mississauga and Caledon. And so that's the second one. The third goal is to up my social media reach with your help. So please feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. If you're shouting out and you're saying good day, drop it in and I'll display it on the screen here for you. If you're outside of Canada and you have family or friends in Canada and you want to say good morning to them, drop it in the comment section below if you're viewing this on Facebook, and I'd be more than happy to share it with you. 1 second. I'm not sure. Just give me 1 second. Let's try this again. I'm trying to do this. Connecting. All right. So I'll say good morning again for you who are now joining on Instagram. It's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario, and I'll start pulling the stats live as we go. So for those of you who are joining the first time in the region of Peel, we have 3 cities, and those 3 cities are Brampton, Caledon, and Mississauga. Now, I'm going to pull the stats live while I'm going through with you and take you through. Give me 1 second here. Let's move my screen on and providing you the data as we do the updates. Now, if you're joining, say hello, say good morning. Hi, Dion. Hi, Sue. Hi, Leon. Hi, Dawn. Good morning. Drop a comment. I know you guys are here, and I'm going to send a little wave to you. But if you would be so kind into saying good morning or good day wherever you're joining from, whatever your time zone is, I'd appreciate if you drop a comment in the comment section below. It'll help me out a great deal. And also, it motivates me to take the time to provide these content. Now, the main reason for providing this stats and taking the time to do it is to provide valuable real estate content that are factual that would help you to make an informed decision. So let's start with, I'm going to take a look here and I'll pull it right while I'm live with you. Good morning, Don. Thank you. I appreciate it. So Don's hop on and saying good morning. Now that works well. Thank you so much, Don. Appreciate it. All right. Good morning, Dark. Drop a comment, say hello in the comment section below if you're joining on Instagram or if you're joining on Facebook at MiniSells.ca. Or MiniSells, you can search me up on Facebook and follow me on Facebook as well. Provide my real estate information there and get to know me and my family as well. I help families build their real estate portfolio. So I want to show you whatever I'm doing for myself, I want to be able to do it for you and for your family because I know how families is important. All right. So let's start with Brampton. We're going to start with Brampton. Today, as we speak, Brampton active listings that you have to choose from is 1,019 properties in the city of Brampton that you have available to you to choose from. Good morning. Good morning, Bird. Appreciate it. Thank you. Now, we have got 1,019 properties to choose from in the city of Brampton, sold for the month. So we're sitting at the fifth day in April. Properties that have sold so far for the month in Brampton in April. This is the fifth day in April. 89 properties sold for the year so far. 3,566 in Brampton, and we're looking at an average price point of about, let's see what the average price point is here quickly, 1,040,000 almost in the city of Brampton. Happy Easter to you, Leon. Thank you for joining. Now, all right. Okay, so let's see here. So we're looking at 1,040,000 as your average price point for the month in the city of Brampton. And let's do a quick breakdown. So since we have 1,019 properties to choose from, let's do a quick breakdown on what categories or what product type we have for those 1,019 properties. Now we've got 156 townhouses to choose from, 49 condo apartments, condo townhouses 87, two detached condos, detached properties 553, link properties 3, semi-detached 169. And that brings us to a total of 1,019 properties to choose from in the city of Brampton. Now, in Brampton, your average townhouse pricing, what we're looking at, is between 760 to around 830. That's the cost for your townhouses in Brampton. Your condo apartment anywhere from 345 to 455. Condo townhouses anywhere from the low 575,000 to 650 for condo townhouses. Sorry, 660, 665 for condo townhouses. Condo townhouses are properties that has a maintenance fee attached to it, right? And we want to those are condo townhouses that are available in Brampton. That's the price point. We're looking at detached condos. Yes, they are detached condos, properties that have a maintenance fee attached. Could be for cleaning out the snow, or the outside and the gardening, which is a pot fee, parcel of title land. So that's a type of condo as well. We're looking at that. The price point for those is just over 100, so around somewhere in and around 920,000. Detached properties, we're sitting at your average price point of over 1.23 million. 1.23 million is your average price point. Link property around the 880 price point. Semi-detached 873,000 for your semi-detached that are in Brampton. All right. So let's quickly move on to Mississauga. But before, I'd like to say good morning and welcome to all of you who are joining. Please go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. I appreciate it. If you're joining on Facebook, you can find me under Mini Cells on Facebook. Please feel free to go ahead and send me a request and follow me on Facebook for market updates, new properties. So I don't always display properties on my personal profile on Facebook, but we've got an exclusive list that you can join, and I can send out a link to that as well. So let's move on to the city of Mississauga. Let's see what's happening in Mississauga. So we were out in Mississauga yesterday in a community called Port Credit, Mississauga. We were at Lake Shore. So let's give you some stats about what's happening in Mississauga. Mississauga right now, we've got 911 properties to choose from that are active on the market in Mississauga. Sold so far over the past 5 days. We're looking at 98 properties sold so far for the past 5 days. Sold for the year, 3,161. And your price point in Mississauga, we're looking at 900 and almost 90,000 as your average price point for the month in Mississauga. Now, let's give you a breakdown of out of these 911 properties, what category, what type of products are there for you to choose from or select from as a buyer? We have in Mississauga right now 32 active townhouses that are available to choose from in Mississauga, 295 condos that are available, condo apartment that are available, so 295 condo apartments. So Mississauga have quite a bit of inventory of condos that are available for sale. Condo townhouses, we've got 138 condo townhouses. Detached properties, 351. Semi-detached, 95. And that brings us to a total of 911 properties currently available on the market in the city of Mississauga that a buyer or investor can choose from to purchase. Now, let's look at the price point for sale. So, in terms of the average price for each category of product. In Mississauga, your townhouses can go anywhere from 875 to 950 for your townhouse in Mississauga. Your condo apartment anywhere from 390 to sorry, anywhere from 220 to 560 for a condo apartment. We're looking at for a co-op apartment from 220 to 560. For a condo apartment, we're looking at the price being anywhere from 485 to 758 for a condo apartment. Yes, you heard that right, 758,000. And they go as much as over $1 million, depending on depending on the type of product. Is it a penthouse, things like that? But you can pick up a condo apartment anywhere from 485 to 750, 760 in the city of Mississauga. Um, Townhouses, condo townhouses from 530 to 907. I mean, it's got 2 bedroom condo townhouses, things like that. Some of them are really old in the 50 year, above the 50-year mark, but you can get it from 530 to between 900 and 7. That's what's been happening so far for the past 5 days. Detached properties from the 900,000, and this is crazy. So from 900,000 to 3.5 million. So you've got high-end properties in Mississauga for detached properties that are selling there. Linked properties, these are properties that are just linked by the garage. We're looking at linked properties anywhere between 850 to 1.18 million. Semi-detached from 875 to 1.7 million for a semi in Mississauga. So that yeah, those are the price points that you can. Good morning, data that you have available as we speak today in Mississauga, and you've got just around 911 products to choose from, properties available on the market. Okay. Good morning to you, Medina. Thanks for joining. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Appreciate it. Now, let's look at our final city in the region of Peel, which is Caledon. So, Caledon have been very pricey, and still, still prices are trending strong in Caledon, primarily because of inventory is not available as it is in Brampton. And Caledon has only recently opened that section for the past 5 years. We've got new build coming into Caledon, but not as much as what's happening in Brampton, although we're just a street away from each other. Okay, we're Brampton Northwest. Now, active listings in Caledon. If you know someone that is in Caledon that are looking to buy or sell a home, feel free to connect with me. Let me see how I can help them. I do appreciate it. We're looking at 131 properties active in Caledon, sold for the month 19, sold for the year 378, and we're looking at an average price point of just over $1.2 million in Caledon as we speak today. Now, Out of the 131 active properties available on the market, I'll give you the breakdown as well as to the different categories or product types that are there for you to choose from. And so townhouses, we have 12. Um, Condo apartment, we've got one condo apartment. Detached property, detached condo, we don't have any at the moment. Um, Detached property, freehold detached property, we're looking at 111 freehold detached property that doesn't have a maintenance fee on it and it's standing on its own. Semi-detached, 6. Now let's look at the price point. What's happening in Caledon? Your lowest to your, around to your a high-end price point. Townhouses can go anywhere from just over 812,000 to 960,000 in Caledon. So somewhere in and around the same price range as Brampton. Condo apartment, we're looking at 587,000 and all the way up to 805,000 in Caledon. Detached condo, we're looking at 1.1 million to 1.3 million for your detached condos. Detached properties from 990 to just over 2 million and 50,000. Linked properties that are linked by the garage, you're looking at your average price of 885, and semi-detached can go anywhere from 930 to around that price range, just over a million as well for some semi. So that sums it up for our market update Monday, April the 5th, for the region of Peel, right? For the region of Peel, I want to thank you guys for joining. I do appreciate it. If you know anyone in your family or friend circle that is looking to sell a home and they're not sure how to plan it, how to prep for it, because preparation is key, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Minnie. I work most of my transaction in the region of Peel. However, I also work in the greater Toronto area. So Etobicoke, Pickering, Durham region, Oshawa, Hamilton. So I go out there as well. Hamilton, Cambridge, Niagara. I've got investors outside of the GTA, and feel free to reach out to me. Let's get someone who can back you, who can plan with you, and who can get your home sold with a good plan in mind. Now, I've got a few announcements to make. I have a listing that is in Shelburne. So watch out for that. I'll be sending some updates, one in Brampton, and I've got a new listing that's coming up in Malton. Now, pre-construction as well is back on the market. A lot going on in the pre-construction industry. So join and watch out for my pre-construction update that is going to be coming up next week on the market. If you are a first-time home buyer, you want to jump on board and find out how you can take advantage of that. If you are an investor, same thing, because a lot of the time, there are some entry-level investor that do not have the 180, 200,000, 300,000 to invest into that investment property, but they may be able to save, let's say, a 30 or 40,000 a year that they can put towards a pre-construction investment, and that can work for them and their family. So I'll talk to you soon again. Take care. It's Minnie here from Brampton, Ontario, in the region of Peel. Always remember to have a attitude of gratitude and let the blessings flow in. Talk to you soon again. Take care. Bye bye for now.